So this is the Foam Factory sample pack for acoustic foam. And you can get this pile right here. You can get that as a item. It costs about $25 US, and we're going to get into it. This is something else. This is corner block foam. This is 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches. And it's made of the same stuff, acoustical foam. This is a couple of corner pieces, and these are, I think approximately $25 US for the pack of two. So you got two of these. This also comes as one piece, so you don't have to get it cut in the middle. It just comes as like one piece, 24 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches. So let's get into the sample pack here. So first off is these things. This is the egg crate foam. Now what they've done is they've included three sizes. So this is 1.5 inch egg crate, and what they do is they write it on the bottom so you can see what you're getting. So egg crate 1.5 inch thickness. Okay, this is the 2.5 inch. As you can see, it's a different height, and then this is the 3.5 inch egg crate. So you've got those three to compare. Now you then have two other styles here. You got the wedge foam and you've got the pyramid foam. Now the wedge foam, these are all, I believe, a standard size. These are all 2 inches. Okay, so that's kind of the profile of it. And the pyramid is very similar. So this is what the profile looks like. And yeah, now that's 2 inch. Now they do make a 1 inch pyramid foam, which they don't put in this kit. This kit revolves around the, or this sample kit revolves around the 2 inch thickness, basically. Every other piece of foam will be 2 inches. So this color is charcoal gray. Now, I ordered this like, I don't know, 20 years ago, and did 4 inch pyramid foam in charcoal gray for the vocal booth. And it seemed a little bit lighter. I'm not sure if it just got lighter over time or it was in fact lighter. This looks a little bit darker. This looks almost black, really. You can't tell because of this camera, but it's quite dark. And here are the sample colors in the 2 inch wedge foam pack that you get. Now you've already seen the charcoal, okay, so that's charcoal gray. And once again, these are all identical. This is the 2 inch wedge foam, just to give you a sample of the colors. And I'm just gonna put that over there. Okay, now these are their standard colors. So you've got teal, you've got brown, you got purple. That's a nice color right there, purple. This is what they call rosy beige. And all the names of the colors are written on the samples, so that's good. This one, the reason why I essentially got this sample pack was because there are several colors that are similar to pink. There's rosy beige, there's this one, burgundy, and then there's this other one here called plum. And, you know, the purple is quite a bit different, but these two are quite similar. In this camera, they're looking even more similar than they actually are in real life, but they're pretty close. This is more of a purple, this plum, and this one is almost like a dull brown, the burgundy. Rosy beige, it's halfway between pink and gray. It's hard to describe, okay? But I guess I'll keep these here. So you've got red, okay, there. You've got blue, you got yellow, you got orange. We already did an amp closet with that a few years ago. You've got the Kelly green. Now, on camera, this one looks quite a bit different from real life. And on camera, this almost looks like a teal, but it's actually a very bright light green. And this is forest green. Okay, now, of all of these, I actually really like the teal, personally, so I think we're going to do an amp closet in that. And we have to pick another color for our other amp closet, which is probably going to be the Kelly green, but we'll see. They don't have a very, very vivid, bright pink. So if that's to your liking, none of these really work. Some of these colors do look quite a bit different from what they do on their website when you're looking at on an RGB monitor. So for that reason alone, getting the sample pack for essentially $25 US plus shipping is definitely a good thing. Before you splurge on any one color, you'll know how it looks. So there you go. So we're still kind of choosing colors for this, but I just wanted to share that with you. And nothing competes to how cool these things are. They're huge, they're solid, they're acoustically absorbent, and they're fun. So there you go. This is obviously in the red, and Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.